This is the Evans magnetic drum key. One really cool thing I like about this drum key in particular is that it has this knurled top here. So when you're trying to tune a drum, and let's say I've got my drum right here and I'm trying to get this guy finger tight, rather than grabbing the threads down here on the drum, you can grab the top and spin it, and you're able to spin it quite a bit faster this way, and you're able to get it finger tight before you start cranking down over here. Now the other thing about this drum key is that it's magnetic. So let's try a different lug here. So I'm going to stick this guy in here, and I'm going to actually take it and I'm going to flip it upside down. I'm going to shake it. It's not coming off. So this guy is magnetic enough to where if you like leaving a drum key, let's say on like your floor tom, you can leave it over here and it's going to stay there even as you're playing the drum. But the other cool thing is when you're tuning the drum here, so let's say I need to get this lug out, so I'm using the top to spin it, I'm not getting my fingers all gunky down here. Once I have that lug out, if I lift up, it comes with it. And that's one of the biggest selling points for me. This thing has a magnet inside here. I don't know if I'm able to get you. Yeah, you can see it kind of right there. There's a magnet in there, and it holds the tension rod so it doesn't just go flying or fall out or anything like that. So if you're in the market for a really solid drum key that you can kind of leave around the kit and it has a magnet in it, I would suggest this guy. I would recommend it. It's pretty comfortable to crank down on something too, because the angle of the drum key, if you can see that, it's angled to where when you're cranking down, it's more ergonomic than when you're untensioning. So if you're in the market for a really solid drum key, I would recommend this guy.